Aloha, this is Frequently Asked Questions about the Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse, brought to you by SCFSIC. This frequently asked question is, what is the max I can put into my TFCGW account? The simple answer to that question is, there really is no limit, but there may be consequences. Remember, TFCGW accounts are really the cash value component of a whole life insurance policy with a mutual company. Now, it used to be that many people who had the means would buy single premium policies. And that made a lot of sense because all the money placed in the policy would be protected against any kind of attachment, and the cash values grew tax-free. Well, that all changed in 1988 when a law was passed that limited the amount a person could stuff into a life insurance policy without being taxed on the growth of the cash value. That law is referred to as the 7-year test or 7-pay rule. Basically, that law changes the status of a life insurance policy into a modified endowment contract or MEC when that cash limit is exceeded. The limit is different for each policy and based on calculations about how much cash will pay the policy in full within so many years. When that cash limit is exceeded, the policy becomes a MEC and loses the tax-exempt or deferred status at that point. The gains in the cash value are taxed as regular income. So, the bottom line is there really is no actual limit to how much cash you can infuse into your life insurance policy. But if you exceed the MEC limit for your specific policy, you will lose the tax benefits and much of the advantage of the TFCGW strategy for that contract. Again, the MEC limit depends on your specific policy design and the amount of premium required and paid into the account. I'm sorry I can't give you a specific dollar amount, but that's the way it is according to the law. Now, if you haven't already, please do yourself a favor and click the link below in the description box. Watch the TFCGW webinar, Become Master of Your Financial World. And be sure to subscribe to this channel. Then you'll be notified whenever we add new facts, answers, and other content.